Hello everyone, Master here. Got a Mac tool haul. Traded in a few things, and one of the main things I got here is a tap and die set, 41 piece metric, made in USA. TD41METS-US. I have the Snap-on SAE set, and this is the Mac metric. He made a pretty good deal on it, and it's a nice set. It's got some good units in it. Open that up, let you see it. There you got all your taps, everything you need. Underneath comes with all your dies. It's a nice set. It goes up to M12. I like doing it this way. I thought about trading in my SAE Snap-on set and just getting the big Mac set with SAE and metric, but the case is so big it's hard to carry around and put in your box, so kept the Snap-on one. It's about this size, and then now I have the Mac metric kit. So very nice, lifetime warranty, USA made, good quality kit. So I'm happy I got that. Did a couple trade-ins with my Mac dealer. Got pretty good pricing on this stuff. Get that put away and we'll go over the rest of it. I also got the replacement. Found the replacement here, 12-inch indexing. Lost my old one. Got a Snap-on one, but returned it because it was too expensive and they start rusting. So the Mac one was out of stock, but he found me one. I like the handle on it, Axis handle. Nice design, durable. So I got that. Got a 16-inch pry bar, I believe it is. This is a warranty. The tip got all dinged up, so he warrantied that out for me. Strikeable end. Traded in one of my normal PowerStack batteries. It was brand new, actually. I hadn't even opened it. It was a starter kit with a charger. And I traded it for one of these oil resistant versions. I like these. They have the rubber coating on them. Keeps them more protected. This isn't the 5 amp hour PowerStack. I thought about getting that, but they don't have that in the oil resistant yet with the rubber housing. So got one of these. That's a DCB P034G. Guaranteed tough. 3-year warranty. Let's see how that thing looks out of the package. So, yeah, it's all black instead of gray, like the other PowerStacks. And it's got the nice rubber coating on it. .7 amp hour. I've been running the PowerStacks now for a while, and I'll be only getting oil resistant from now on. They hold up better, but the 1.7 amp hour PowerStack, this thing is a good battery. It lasts a really long time. on my 3/8 impact and on my mid torque, surprisingly. Drill, whatever. But yeah, that's a good battery. Happy I got it. Part number, by the way, on the indexing pry bar is a PB12i USA Mac. Set those off the side. Last thing I got here, it's a master big wrench set here. These are beautiful. I already opened them up, played with them before the video. And I traded in my K-Tool double flex extra long spline drive metric wrenches that skipped some sizes for this set. And he did a really good trade-in for me. I told him I didn't care much for them. I had them for about 6 months, those K-Tools, and you know, they were okay, but I don't like that spline drive. It gets stuck on things and it's just not right. And I like these because I can break stuff loose with this end. See, that's a 12-point end, and then run it out with that 12-point end ratcheting. And they're very smooth, really nice, not floppy. These are really nice. So what this is it's the SRD BL121-2PT. Kind of wonder if that's precision torque is what that stands for, but it's a 12-piece metric XL flex head ratcheting wrench set. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, no skips. And it is made in Taiwan. And it does come in the nice foam. And I'm not going to pull every single one out, but you can tell these are really nice. I already actually used the 15 and it was great. It worked really great. I believe these are a 0-degree offset. Maybe a slight offset, but I didn't really notice much. Just really nice. All the way down to the 8mm. That little guy. And I'll let you guys know if I have any issues with them, but nice and not too floppy at all. It's got an arrow, lets you know what direction you're going. And I'm happy I got these and got rid of those junky spline drive things. A lot of companies are going all spline drive. I'm glad Mac isn't. Cornwell seems to be doing spline drive on a lot of their stuff now, and I'm not a fan of that. Not a lot of mechanics like it, but the 10 mil, oh, that's a 9. The 10 mil, just really nice. I think these will hold up and be really good. So anyway, I'm gonna try to fit these in my cart somewhere in the drawer. And nice little haul. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and have a great one.